take a slow breath and let your awareness expand gently into this moment. Allow your shoulders to fall, your jaw to loosen, your breath to lengthen. You are stepping out of the momentum of the day and into the quiet space of your inner world. As you inhale, imagine gathering a soft, cool light into your chest. As you exhale, let the noise inside your mind drift away like dust carried by a slow wind. Every breath becomes a small ascent, a lifting, a release. Now, picture yourself standing at the base of a magnificent mountain. Its peak disappears into silver clouds, illuminated by faint golden light. This mountain represents your mind, layered, powerful, full of stories, memories, and assumptions. Most people wander endlessly at the foothills, lost in thought, unable to see beyond the fog. But today you ascend. You take your first step onto the winding path. The fog moves around your legs, swirling with the familiar energy of old thoughts, worries, comparisons, regrets, imagined futures. You feel them, but you do not attach to them. You walk through them as you would walk through mist, untouched, unchanged. With each step upward, your breath deepens. With each breath, your awareness sharpens. With each moment, the fog thins. You begin to see the landscape of your mind from a new vantage point, no longer trapped inside each thought, but witnessing them from above. You come to a ledge that overlooks the world below. The fog is still present, drifting, shifting, but now it appears small, light, temporary. You realize something profound here. Thoughts are not solid. They are not reality. They are weather passing through the vast sky of your awareness. You continue upward. The air becomes clearer. The path becomes narrower yet easier beneath your feet. You feel lighter, as though you were shedding layers you didn't know you were carrying. Halfway up the mountain, you arrive at a crystalline pool carved into the rock. Its surface is so still it becomes a perfect mirror. You kneel beside it, gazing not at your reflection, but into a deeper truth, the awareness beneath your mind, the observer, the one who does not react, does not judge, does not cling, but simply sees. As you watch the still water, you feel the old noise inside you begin to dissolve. Worries soften, fear loses its anchor, doubt loosens its grip. Stories that once felt heavy now feel like shadows drifting across the ground. You rise again and continue toward the summit. Here, the wind is pure, cool, and steady. It moves through you, cleansing your inner world like a sacred breeze. You sense the summit approaching, the place where the mind cannot follow. And then you arrive. The sky opens into a vast expanse of shimmering light. Gold, silver, violet, and white blend into a horizon that feels infinite. You breathe it in. You feel it in the center of your chest. You feel the truth rising inside you. You are not your thoughts. You are not your fears. You are not the stories your mind repeats. You are the awareness above them. Vast, spacious, unshakable. From this height, every thought becomes small. Every fear becomes a whisper. Every doubt becomes a passing cloud. Nothing can touch the stillness inside you. Stay here for a moment, breathing gently as your awareness expands outward in all directions. Imagine the entire landscape of your mind beneath you. Valleys of memory, rivers of emotion, forests of old beliefs. From the summit, you see it all clearly. You see how each thought rises, moves, dissolves. You see how every emotion flows like water, shifting shape, never permanent. You see how your mind has tried to protect you, even when it misunderstood what you needed. Now imagine a warm current of light rising from the summit itself, swirling upward in a slow spiral. It wraps around your body like a luminous cloak, soft, protective, ancient. This light is the essence of awareness, the pure witness that exists beneath every experience you've ever had. Feel it strengthening your spine, calming your breath, opening your chest. As you stand in this light, the wind carries away remnants of old stories. Stories that told you you were not enough. Stories that convinced you to shrink. Stories that made you believe your thoughts were stronger than you. Let them drift off the edge of the mountain, dissolving into the sky. You place your hand on your heart once more. Feel the rhythm there. Steady, grounded, alive. This is your anchor, your home, your true self. Your mind is a powerful tool, but it is not the ruler of your life. You are the one who sees, who chooses, who rises. As you prepare to descend the mountain, imagine the summit's light moving gently into your chest, settling there like a glowing ember. It will remain with you, a reminder that you can rise above your mind at any moment, simply by returning to awareness. Begin your descent slowly, carrying the stillness with every step. The fog no longer touches you the way it did before. You walk through it with clarity, knowing it is only mist, never a barrier. Your breath is calm. Your presence is strong. Your awareness is spacious. By the time you reach the base again, you feel transformed. The landscape of your mind has not changed, but your relationship to it has. You now see thoughts for what they are, movements of energy, passing clouds, temporary echoes. You, however, are the sky. Take a final deep breath. Let the summit's clarity settle into your body. Let the awareness remain bright within you. Let your presence return to this moment, grounded and free. You have risen above your mind, and the summit lives within you always. Now, take a moment to imagine how this clarity will support you in the days ahead. See yourself responding rather than reacting. See yourself breathing before speaking. See yourself recognizing a thought not as truth, but as a passing visitor. See yourself choosing what to believe, what to release, what to nourish. Imagine facing moments of stress with calm strength, not because life is easier, but because you are no longer tangled in your mind's stories. You rise above them, seeing everything from a higher vantage point. This is the gift of awareness, the freedom to choose your inner experience. Feel a soft resonance growing in your chest now, like a quiet bell vibrating with truth. This resonance is your inner knowing, the part of you that has always understood that peace is not found in controlling the mind, but in observing it. Let that resonance spread through your body, down your arms, through your fingertips, down your legs, through the soles of your feet. Every part of you absorbs the summit's clarity.